Hi students, good morning. In the previous class, we have discussed integration of sin square x dx, integration of cos square x dx, integration of tan square x dx, integration of cot square x dx, integration of secant square x dx, integration of cosec square x dx. This is, we know that formula, cosec square x integration minus cot x plus c, secant square x integration tan x plus c, cot square x write in the form of cosec square x minus 1, then find integration. This is tan square x equal to secant square x minus 1, cos square x use reduce the power 1 minus cos 2 1 plus cos 2x by 2 dx and simplify. This is 1 minus cos 2x by 2. This we will discuss. Now today we will discuss integration of sin cube x dx. Sin cube x dx. This we can find two ways. We can reduce the power. Okay, sin 3x formula. Sin 3x formula 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. So we want this. Here the power is 1. So power is 1. We can find integration easily. Sin cube x 4 sin cube x equal to 3 sin x minus sin 3x. Sin cube x equal to 1 by 4 3 sin x minus sin 3x. This is sin cube x. So integration of sin cube x dx equal to integration of 1 by 4 3 sin x minus sin 3x dx. 1 by 4 is a constant. 1 by 4 is constant. Integration of 3 sin x minus sin 3x dx. These are standard formula. 1 by 4 3 sin x integration minus cos x. What about sin 3x integration? Minus plus cos 3x by 3, because 3x differentiation 3, get in denominator, plus, so minus 3 by 4 cos x plus 4 is cancelled here, cos 3x by 12 plus c. This is sin cube x value. Okay, this is, we can find this one other way also. Integration of sin cube x dx equal to sin square x into sin x. Can I write like this? Yes. And sin square x we can write 1 minus cos square x into sin x dx. By splitting 1 into sin x, right? My dx minus this into this cos square x into sin x dx. This integration we know, integration of sin x minus cos x. So how to find this integration? Cos x differentiation is there here. So let cos x equal to t, or use standard form. Which form? F of x whole power n into f dash x dx. Okay, this is integration of sin x dx. This is, we can write cos x whole square plus minus sin x into dx. F of x whole square into this differentiation is this. Okay, so f of x, this we know your formula, integration f of x whole raised to n into f dash x dx equal to f of x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Sin x integration minus cos x plus this is f of x whole square, f of x derivative is here. So we can use this formula. F of x means cos x whole power n plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3 by 3 plus c. This is and this is look like different, but answers same. That is in the integration form different. This is the form of cos qx. This is the form of cos 3x. To get that form, cos 3x formula, we are going to use cos 3x formula. 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. By simplifying, we get that one. Okay? Are you following? Both are same. It look like different, but both values are same. We can convert here. This is in the form of cos 3x. This is in the form of cos cube x. That much difference. So this sin cube x dx, if it is there, we can find the two ways. Either this or that method. Okay. Similarly, integration of cos cube x. Integration of cos cube x dx. Okay. We can reduce the power. How? By using cos 3x formula. Here we have used sin 3x. Here cos 3x. Cos 3x formula 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. Okay. Now 4 cos cube x equal to, tell me this transfer this side, cos 3x plus 3 cos x. Cos cube x equal to 1 by 4 cos 3x plus 3 cos x. So integration of cos cube x dx equal to 1 by 4 cos 3x plus 3 cos x dx. 1 by 4 constant cos 3x plus 3 cos x dx. 1 by 4 cos 3x integration sin 3x by 3 plus 3 integration of cos x sin x plus c. This is, we can find another way also, like this, cos square x into cos x. Cos square x we can write 1 minus sin square x. Sin x derivative is cos x. Like this. Two ways. That you try yourself. Both are same method. Okay. Next. So integration of cos cube x, sin cube x we have discussed. Cos cube x we have discussed. Integration of sin square x how to find? By 1 minus cos cube x, because power is 1. Reduce the power. Integration of cos square x 1 plus cos cube x by 2. Integration of sin cube x, reduce the power. Integration of sin cube x 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. Sin 3x formula. Sin cube x equal to 3 sin x minus sin 3x by 4. The same way cos cube x equal to 1 by 4 cos 3x plus 3 cos x. Okay. Next, integration of tan cube x. But we have sin cube x, cos cube x formulas we can reduce. Why? Because the power we can make as a 1. But tan cube x power, by using formula, tan 3x formula is there. Tan 3x equal to 3 tan x minus tan cube x by 1 minus 3 tan square x. If you want to make this, again power is 2 is there. If you transfer this side, tan 3x and tan square x will get. Okay, easily you can't get like this. Cos 3x equal to 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos cube x. Cos cube x equal to the power is 1. When the power is 1, we can apply standard formula. So like this formula does not exist. Tan cube x we can't express in terms of tan or tan ax. Okay, in the power 1 we can't express. That's why that method is not applicable here. Then use tan cube x equal to, we can write tan square x into tan x dx. Like this we can write. Tan square x, convert to standard formula, secant square x minus 1 into tan x dx. So integration of secant square x into tan x minus tan x dx. Integration of tan x into secant square x dx minus integration of tan x dx. Okay, tan x differentiation is there here. So tan x power is 1. F of x whole raised to n into f dash x dx. Or you can take tan x equal to t also, you can substitute. Use substitution method or formula method. F of x whole power n into f dash x dx equal to f of x whole power n plus 1. So tan x whole power 1 plus 1, 2 by 2 minus integration of tan x. log of sec x plus c. Log of sec x plus c. Sometimes in option they will give like this also, tan x whole square by 2 plus log of cos x. This is also correct for competitive, for JEE main, for advanced. They may not give direct answer. They may give like this also, because this is same. Why? Because sec x we can write 1 by cos x. Cos x whole power minus 1. Minus comes here, minus plus log of cos x. Understood? So we have discussed integration of sin cube x, integration of cos cube x, integration of tan cube x. So next, integration of cot cube x. Integration of cot cube x dx. Cot cube. This is also same. Integration of cot square x into cot x dx. Integration of cot square x cosec square x minus 1 into cot x dx. Integration of cosec square x into cot x dx minus integration of cot x dx. Cosec x whole square into cot x. See, f of x whole square, f of x derivative, cosec x derivative minus cosec x derivative minus cosec x into cot x. Sorry, this is a reverse. We can write like this, cot x into cosec square x. Cot x differentiation is minus cosec square x. Are you following? So minus not there. Minus we can multiply. Here cot x whole power 1, here minus cosec square x. Now f of x whole power n into f dash x dx. F of x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1 minus integration of cot x dx. So minus cot x whole power 1 plus 1, 2 by 2 minus log of cot x integration sin x. Log of sin x plus. Okay, integration of sin cube x. How we done? By using sin 3x formula. Integration of cos cube x by using of cos 3x formula. Integration of tan cube x, tan square into tan x. Integration of cot cube x. Yes. Next one, integration of sec cube x dx. Sec cube x. Sec, this is we can write secant square x secant square x into secant x dx. Right? Integration of this is 1 plus tan square x. Yes. Secant x into tan x. Right? See, here you can't get it. Integration of sec x. This differential integration we know. Integration of sec x is log of sec x plus tan x. Integration of tan square x into sec x dx. This how can find integration? Tan x whole square. Tan x integration secant square x, but secant square x not there. Sec x, if you take sec x integration, sec x derivatives, sec x into tan x, but one more sec x not there. What? Multiply divided by what? No, variable you have no right. Like this, if here it is tan square x, sec x, and by sec x, if you write no, this is we can't get out, it's inside only. Constant is there, we can take out. Sec x we can't take outside. Here secant square x. Here tan square x by sec x. So this is in further. For this, what we have learned methods. On base of that, we can't get this. This is the way of finding is the different way. That is you will get in further class. Got a point? Are you following? So we have done integration of sin cube x, integration of cos cube x, integration of tan cube x, integration of cot cube x. Similarly, integration of sec cube x and cosec cube x we will discuss later. This is JEE main level 2, level 3 question essays. Are you following? So that's why by doing, don't create your own. Why I have discussed here, we get the problem. Here they will stuck up what to do. So that's why the concept, learning the concept, very very important. Okay. So this is we'll discuss later. Next, integration of sin power 4x. Sin power 4x. Integration of sin power 4x dx. Sin power 4x dx. There is no formula sin power 4x, but we know the sin square. This is clear like this: sin square x whole square dx. Sin square x we can reduce the power. Sin square x equal to 1 minus cos 2x by 2 whole square dx. Right? Which is very important. This 1 by 2 here. 1 minus cos 2x. 1 minus cos 2x whole square by 4 into dx. Integration of a minus b whole square. 1 plus cos square 2x minus 2ab 2 cos 2x by 4 into dx. Here degree power is 1, but this is square. Again we have to reduce the power. Then we can use the standard formula. Then we get integration. The technique understood? Okay. We have to reduce the power. Always if you reduce the power, then we will get this like this form, degree 1 form. So that is this which is in the form of standard formula. We can find integration. Understood? Okay. Now 1 by 4, 1 plus cos square 2x. Cos square x 1 plus cos 2 into 2x 4x by 2 minus 2 cos 2x. Finish. All terms are in the form of standard formula. Degree is 1. We can find integration. Then simplify. Take LCM here. 1 by 4. LCM 2 plus 1 plus cos 4x minus 4 cos 2x into dx. 1 by 4 into 2, 1 by 8, integration 2 plus 1, 3 plus cos 4x minus 4 cos 2x into dx. 1 by 8, 3, integration of 3x. Cos 4x integration sin 4x by 4 minus 4 cos 2x integration sin 2x by 2 plus c. Finish. Get cancelled. So 3 by 8x plus sin 4x by 32 minus 1 by 4 sin 2x plus c. Next, similarly, integration of cos power 4x dx. This also to reduce the power. Integration cos square x whole square dx. Cos square x formula 1 plus cos 2x by 2 whole square. So integration of a plus b whole square 1 plus b square cos square 2x plus 2ab 2 cos 2x by 4 into dx. So 1 by 4 integration 1 plus again square is there, reduce the power 1 plus cos 4x by 2 plus 2 cos 2x into dx. 1 by 4 integration LCM here 2 plus 1 plus cos 4x plus 4 cos 2x into dx. 1 by 4 into 1 by 8 2 plus 1 3 plus cos 4x plus 4 cos 2x into dx. 1 by 8 integration of 3x cos 4x integration sin 4x by 4 into cos 2x integration sin 2x by 2 plus simplify. You know, by listening you can able to understand easily, but integration, to get concept you should practice yourself. In every day, sin square x the way of finding, sin cube x how to find, cos cube x how to find. Okay, practice yourself. Okay, then you will catch the concept. Simply by listening you can't catch the concept. You should practice, like maintain notes, practice every day. Okay, then easy, very easy than the topics. Once if you catch the concept, you never forget. Permanently you will be remember. That such logic there, continuity and differentiability and up to integration. Okay, but if not understand, if not follow, very difficult. Most of the students by discussing they will follow, but after discussing many problems are there. They should identify what to do, how to do the problem. That is main important. That's why I am telling step by step. Integration of sin square x, cos square x, tan square x, cosec square x, secant square, how to find. Next sin cube x, cos cube x, tan cube x, cot cube x, but sec cube and cosec cube x we can't find now. So by using these methods, by substitution method. Okay, next one, integration of sin power 4x we have discussed, cos power 4 we have discussed. Next, important, tan power 4x dx, which is 3 marks question. Sin power 4x integration, cos power 4x integration, tan power 4x integration. These are 3 marks questions. Integration of tan power 4x, we can write tan square x into tan square x. Why have not written whole square instead of this? I done the sin square x whole square. Yes, cos square x whole square. After that, sin square x I have made it 1 minus cos 2x by 2. Reduce the power. But tan square x whole square, if you write tan square x, is it possible to reduce the power? No. That's why we write separate tan square x. That's why one method is not applicable for all the problems. The problem wise methods are there. That is integration. Okay? Tan square x into tan square x. So tan square x we can write secant square x minus 1 into tan square x dx. Integration of secant square x into tan square x dx minus tan square x dx. Integration of secant square x tan square x dx minus integration of tan square x dx. How to find this integration? Tan x differentiation is there here. Are you following? Tan x whole square into secant square x dx. See, f of x whole power n, f of x differentiation this is. Tan x differentiation is secant square x. F of x whole power n by n plus 1 by n plus 1 minus, this is how to find tan square x integration? Secant square x dx minus 1. Very good. Secant square x minus 1. Now, this is in the form of f of x whole raised to n into f dash x dx equal to f of x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1. This formula. Tan x derivative is there. So tan x 1 3 by 3 minus secant square x integration tan x minus minus plus 1 integration x plus c. This is the way of finding integration of tan power 4. Similarly, the same procedure cot power 4x dx. So by solving this, we come to know that sin cos problems are similar while doing integration. Sin square x cos square x, you have done same method. Sin cube x cos cube x also by using sin 3x and cos 3x formulas we have used. Tan and cot are similar way, and secant cosec similar way. Okay. Cot power 4x integration, the same procedure. Cot square x into cot square x into x. So cot square x, we can write cosec square x minus 1 into cot square x dx. So integration of cosec square x into cot square x dx minus cot square x dx. Cosec square x into cot square x. Cosec square x into cot square x. This is cot square x. Cot x differentiation is minus cosec square x. So cot x whole square into cosec square x dx. This is cosec square x minus 1 into dx. This differentiation, cot x differentiation is minus cosec square x multiplied by minus. Constant minus you can multiply. Variable, if you multiply, what happens? The variable you can't take out. When you are not able to take out, the finding integration is very difficult. Only few cases it's possible to find integration. But very constant when you multiply, now we can take out. That is a benefit. So variable you should avoid. Very rare case, if you multiply by variable numerator denominator, the denominator variable we can't take out. That's why. Okay. Now this differentiation is there here. So minus cot x whole power 3 by 3 minus cosec square x integration minus cot x minus minus plus 1 integration x plus c. Next, let us try integration of secant power 4x dx. Secant cube x, cosec cube x, we have done, we have not done. Because this by using so far what we have discussed method, on base of that method, there are two questions we are not solved. So those we will discuss at the end. Now secant power 4x, can I write like this? Secant square x into secant square x. Yes. Secant square x equal to 1 plus tan square x into secant square x dx. Yes, we can solve 1 into secant square x plus tan square x into secant square x dx. Check it whether it is solved possible or not. Secant square x integration we know. How to find this integration? Integration of secant square x dx plus integration of tan x whole square into secant square x dx. This derivative is there. F of x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So secant square x integration tan x plus this differentiation is there here, which is equal to tan x whole power 3 by 3 plus c. We have done secant power 4x. Similarly, integration of cosec power 4x dx. Cosec power 4x dx. Integration of cosec square x into cosec square x. Okay. Try yourself. Cosec square x 1 plus cot square x into cosec square x dx. So integration of cosec square x plus cot square x into cosec square x dx. Integration of cosec square x dx plus cot square x into cosec square x dx. Cosec square x integration minus